Guys, it's me Zai Pawar and Dhiran. Thank you so much for watching Treats and Travels. If you are new to this channel, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. In today's video, we are going to see how to make labad vange. They are one kind of Maharashtrian momos and this is traditional Pawar recipe. My Aji used to do this recipe. Now without wasting a time, let's get started. Now let's see the ingredients. For stuffing, we have to soak urad dal and chana dal overnight. We have to soak moong dal for 4 hours. At this point of time, we have to take moong dal and we have to grind this in the grinder. Then crush the moong dal in paste. Make sure paste should not be that fine. When we are done with the paste, take out that paste in one bowl. And after that, we have to grind urad dal and chana dal too. This recipe has 3 parts. So we have to make stuffing, then we have to make covering, and after that we will be making curry for our Maharashtrian momos. Here we got the paste from urad dal and chana dal. We are taking that out in same bowl and after that we are making covering for our momos. Let's see ingredients for covering. Here I have 2 cups of wheat flour, then 2 cups of besan, that is Bengal gram flour. Then I will be using 2 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, and then after that I will be adding 1 cup of water in this thing, and we have to form or knead a dough out of this wheat flour and Bengal gram flour. At this point, add 2 tablespoons of oil in this dough and make this dough soft and smooth. After that, keep this dough aside for 10 to 15 minutes and then we will be making curry for our Maharashtrian momos, aka labad vange. Next, we will be making ginger garlic paste. Now add 1 inch of ginger and 7-8 cloves of garlic in this and then crushed it. Take this paste out and after that we will be making onion paste. For that we will be using 3 cups of onion. Next is heat the pan on medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in pan. Then add ginger garlic paste. And after that add our onion paste in this pan. And we have to saute this onion until it will be turning brown. We have to keep stirring this paste and we have to make sure it's not sticking the bottom of the pan. At this point, this onion paste is turning brown. It is brown enough and then after that I am adding 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Add 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Here I am adding black coconut paste. So you have to dry roast your coconut and after that you have to make fine paste out of it. Then I have added this paste. And after that we have to mix this well and we have to cook this until 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure it's not burning from the bottom. Add salt to taste. And then after that we have to add 2 cups of water in this paste. Now our curry is almost ready. Now cook this curry for 10 minutes and then turn off the gas. Now let's move the next procedure. Now here is our lentil paste. Then I have added chili paste in this thing. So here I have used 7 to 8 chilies. Then I am adding 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Then add 2 teaspoons of turmeric and after that you have to add 2 tablespoons of warm oil in this stuffing and pinch of Eno or baking soda. Because of adding oil and Eno, this mixture will be fluffy. Now add salt as per your taste and after that we have to mix this mixture very well and the stuffing is ready. Then we will be preparing for our steamer. Now add water in steamer and cover it with lid, and when it started boiling, then our steamer will be ready. Meanwhile, we will be making our momos. Now I will be using this plate in our steamer. So we have to apply oil on this plate and keep this plate aside. Then after that, take our dough. We have to make this dough soft and smooth. Then divide it in equal parts. I am making 10 parts out of it. Take one piece out of it and dust it in flour, and after that we have to roll in chapati. That circle should be around 4 to 5 inch of diameter. Now take one chapati, add stuffing on it. Now add around 1 tablespoon of stuffing on it. Make sure you are not using more than this, because when we will be steaming this momos, this stuffing will be rise and there has to be some place in the momo. So स्टफिंग अपने को थोड़ा ही भरने का है, बहुत ज़्यादा भरने का नहीं है. जब ये स्टीम होगा तो उसका ये जो स्टफिंग है वो भी राइज होगा, तो दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू यूज़ only 1 tablespoon of stuffing. Now take all sides together and we have to close this momo. Make sure stuffing is not coming out, close it properly, and then our momo is ready. Keep this momo on that plate, and this plate will go in our steamer. Now our steamer is ready and we will be placing momos in the steamer, and we have to cook this momos around 20 to 25 minutes. When we are done with the placing, cover the steamer with the lid and now wait for 20 to 25 minutes, and then momos will be ready. On the other hand, our curry is also ready. Now turn off this gas flame, and yes, after 25 minutes our momos are ready. Then cut this momo in 4 equal parts. You can serve these momos with fresh coconut and cilantro, with this onion curry and poppy seeds. So this is typical pawa recipe. If you like this recipe and if you want to see more of such recipes, then let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Until our next video, तुमचा आमचा अन्नदाता सुखी भव.